Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Chlorine Test Strips. What is Leisure Time Chlorine Test Strips? Leisure Time Chlorine Test Strips are an easy and effective way to test the chlorine level in your spa. Each bottle of test strips has a chart on the back. Just dip one test strip in the water and compare with the chart. Chlorine test strips have been proven to be a fast, easy, and accurate way to check the level of chlorine in your spa. Product benefits: fast, easy, accurate, compatible with chlorine, bromine, and ozone sanitizers. Usage directions: dip the strip in water one time. Compare test results to chart on the back of bottle. Additional information. Note: low calcium hardness levels can cause foam and corrosive water conditions, so use a strip that includes the calcium hardness test. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.